guys, so in this video we're going to be doing something different than vlogging. We are going to do a house review of Tita's new house. It took 13 months to build and I'm so excited to show you guys. Join us! The new house. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, and 3 toilets. Come and join me inside! Guys, it's cooking time. Come with me and see what Tito's cooking. Tito?
Good, you wanna try?
Yeah, maybe, but just cool it down before, because I don't wanna turn red. Oh.
Oh, is it?
Good.
You guys are here? Oh, and also, while you're here, I would like to thank you on almost 1K. 50 more subscribers. 50 more until we reach our goal of 1K. Hope you guys like and subscribe and enjoyed this video. See you next time on the next video. See ya!
Shout out to Tito Jewel and Tito Ahmed for helping with the fence. It has 4 bedrooms. I don't know why I was holding up a 3. Okay guys, it's ready. You can come in. Wrong way.